Hi guys, I'm Chef Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are subscribed so you get a notification every time I post a new recipe up, like today's. So a few weeks back, I posted a cake that I made for my brother's birthday, and it got a lot of attention. Everybody wanted to make it. They wanted to know how I made it. So I'm gonna make it for you guys today. Thing to remember, this is not my recipe. I have modified Chef Pierre Herme's recipe. He's one of my favorite chefs, someone I truly love, admire, respect. I was actually hoping that I would make this recipe with him. I requested, but I obviously failed miserably. So I'm hoping that he's watching this and that we eventually do bake a recipe together someday. Hope you guys enjoy it. It is great.
To make the tart, there's two components. One is the short crust pastry and second is the dark chocolate ganache. So we're going to start with the pastry. For that, you're going to need...
In my bowl, I took the butter, I have whipped it till it's soft and fluffy. I added both my sugars and now I'm going to whisk this. This is what the texture looks like. Now we're going to take all our dry ingredients. So we have our flour, baking powder, salt, sea salt, cocoa powder. Either sift this in or whisk this in. Next step is we're going to add our dry mixture into the butter mixture. Gently just mix that in. You can use your hands at this stage. This is what I'm going to do.
And using my hands, I'm going to fold this in till I get this texture. I'm using 100 grams of chocolate chips, but you can use a slab that is chopped up. This is what Chef Herme does as well, but I'm using chips. Fold that in. Rest this dough, which ideally then you would roll out and then line into a tart ring and bake.
So we made the dough, it's baking, and this is the best time when it's baking. And now we're going to make the ganache for this.
For the filling, you're going to need... Making a ganache is fairly simple. We're going to heat our cream. I've melted my chocolate in a bowl. We're going to pour the cream, the boiling cream, into our chocolate. Make sure to keep your whisk stable in the center. I'm not lifting it up and down. And just make small circles in the center. And slowly you'll see your ganache come together. Once it's a homogeneous mixture, I'm going to add my butter in, mix it in, and we're done. Once the tart is out of the oven, I'm using my ring to cut the short crust pastry. Now you can let this cool and just layer your ganache on top of it directly. I'm transferring this to a plate. I'm going to decorate it like Chef did in his video with some chocolate shards. And we're done! It's ready! Thank you so much, Chef Pierre, for sharing this on your Instagram. And I hope all of you watching this enjoy making it. Let me know if you have any doubts or concerns in the comment box. And I'm happy to reply to all your queries. Hope you enjoy baking this recipe.